Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present open source server problem based task. Okay, this is my members. Introduce myself, mazatul alkhawarizmi. And then my members, NORZATIKA, fatin, alkhawarizmi. This is inside network design and online. Number of device, router 5 device, Wi-Fi and or modem 5 device, switch 10 device, laptop 250 device, smartphone 350 device, PC 100 device, tablet 250 device. Internet service provider or ISP, we choose Verizon because it is 100% fiber optic network and it's also powerful connectivity. You also can speed up to 940 Mbps. This is cost to build a website. Our estimation cost for our website is around 90,000 until 500,000. This is because of few factors such as the setup, the maintenance, data imports, and more factors that we need to look out. Here we attach the price for each factors that we have summarized. Okay, for hardware, 50,000. For installation, 15,000. For data imports, 2,000. E-commerce search engine optimization, 5,000. For domain name, 50. Hosting, 10,000. Website maintenance, 20,000. And total of the website cost is 102,050. That's all.
Presentation. So today I'm going to tell you what is Apache. Apache is colloquially called Apache because it is a free and open source cross-platform web server software released under the terms of Apache License 2.0. Apache is developed and maintained by an open community of developers under the auspices of the Apache Software Foundation. So this is the URL name. You can copy and open it. And then this is the main page design. So at the top there is a business name, and beside the business name there's a search engine, and then on the top right screen there's a login or a sign up button. So next one, I'm going to tell you about the sell page design. So on the sell page design, there will appear all the products that sell in our business name, and then other inside values facility, which is the domain name, which is www.wix.com. So I'm going to tell you about the wix.com. Wix.com is a leading cloud-based development platform with millions of users worldwide. We make it easy for everyone to create a beautiful professional web presence. So in Wix.com, it will help you promote your business, showcase your art, set up an online shop, or just test out your new ideas. So the Wix website builders has everything you need to create a fully personalized and high quality free website. So other inside values facility, there's a file sharing, which is Google Drive. In Google Drive, there are store, access, and share your files in one secure place. Store any and every file, access files anytime, anywhere from your desktop and mobile devices, and you can control how files are shared. And the next one, find what's important before you've even searched. The third one, which is organize team files in a shared space. And lastly, use less of your PC or Mac disk space and stream directly from the cloud.
So I'm NORZATIKA and I will present another slide. So this is about other insight values facility, communication, Vimeo and judgment tools for your videos, add chapter makers to make long videos more digestible, direct viewers to additional content with custom calls to action, and capture email address all within the video player. Onboarding on demand. When your team is moving fast, you need an easy way to keep everyone up to speed. Vimeo's live and on-demand tools help you stay nimble with onboarding. So HR training, continuing education, high impact seminars, and more. So the last one, control over your content. Easily manage your videos as your business evolves. Assign roles and permissions, organize collection, and collaborate in private, simply and securely. So next we go to the task. Alright, for the first questions is what is LAMP and proxy? So basically, LAMP is an acronym denoting one of the most common solution stacks for many of the web's most popular applications. However, LAMP now refers to a generic software stack model and its components are largely interchangeable. So for proxy, in computer networking, a proxy server is a server applications or appliance that acts as an intermediary for requests from clients seeking resources from servers that provide those resources. So next we go to the basic requirement for LAMP and proxy. So LAMP needs Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. So together, they provide a proven set of software for delivering high-performance web applications. Each component contributes essential capabilities to the stack. So proxy server should support get, post, and connect methods. There should be connectivity between management server and the proxy server. So moreover, there also should be connectivity between the proxy server and the resources that management server needs to access. For example, SOT and web service. We go to the next slide about physical network diagram, network redundancy level, level 3, layer 2 diagrams, which show the IP subnets and all layer 3 network devices like routers, firewalls, and load balancers. So the layer 2 diagram must show all of the important network segment and subnet and how they're interconnected. So next, we will see about network redundancy level. Level 2, layer 2 diagram shows layer 2 object like switches and trunk. They include critical information like which VLAN are included in which trunk, and they show spanning 3 parameters like branch, priorities, and port codes. In many cases, this is too much information to show easily, so I generally use call out box to hold some of the information. So that's all for my parts, and the next slide I will pass it to the next presenter.
Hello, my name is Mama Alkhawarizmi and I'll be talking about network redundancy level. Level 1. Layer 1 diagram should show port numbers and indicate cable types. If there are patch panels, particularly if you want to document how patch panel ports map to device location and switch port numbers, this information belongs on the layer 1 diagram. Network redundancy method. Make your work fully redundant. Check if there's any failure. Determine if you want to keep spare parts on site or document. Explanation. There are some best practice around building in redundancy network failover. Make your work network fully redundant. This includes switches, network devices, internet source, phones, and VoIP backups, and alternate power source. A complicated network failover plan or network architecture is likely to have issues that are harder to diagnose. Keep parts on hand or easy to get. In the case of hardware failure, determine if you want to keep spare parts on site or document where and how to get spare parts quickly when you need them. Type of backup. LAMP, peculiar backup, to create periodic backup copies of your data and restore data from those backups. To give full control of what should be backup and restored at the individual file level and the schedule of when the backup should be created. Proxy VM backup, to retrieve data from the production storage, compress the duplicates and it into the backup repository to process jobs and deliver backup traffic. Command for monitoring. Min. Command interpreter for Oracle Tuxedo Bulletin Boards. DXRPT. Bear Tuxedo Admin System Server Service Report Program. DXRPT analyze the standard error output of Bear Tuxedo Admin System Server to provide a summary of service processing the time within the server. Explanation. Because server monitoring tools can help in monitoring servers as well as the entire infrastructure. They also provide intensive reports and capacity planning to maintain the network without any hassle. That's all. That's all from our group. Thank you.